Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread houses with your kids. And I'm going to be using milk cartons, vanilla frosting, pretzel rods, graham crackers, can't forget these, and some dots. And I can't remember if I said frosting. Obviously we need vanilla frosting. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do, obviously, you're going to dump out the milk, and you're going to want to clean, sanitize the inside of the milk carton, and then let it dry. And once you've done that, you can staple it. So I've got my stapler here. We're going to staple it shut. Just use a couple of quick staples is enough, and it's stapled closed. And now comes the fun part. Now when we look at the shape of our milk carton, we want to cover the outside using frosting and graham crackers. But when we look at this middle shape here, we kind of have an odd shape because we want to cover this section as well as the body part of this milk carton. So I recommend taking a full graham cracker and a knife, and you can just kind of hold it up and pretty much eyeball the little triangular pieces that you're going to cut off with your knife. So here I go. I'm going to cut mine now. Okay, so I've used my knife, and it's not perfect. It doesn't have to be. It's a gingerbread house. And now comes the best part. I can take frosting. And the frosting, of course, is like your glue. So I'm going to frost this part, and I'm going to put it on this side. And now I'm going to do the second side. And kids have so much fun doing this. They can really do all of it. The only thing I would recommend is that when you are cutting out the triangular pieces for these two sides, I'd recommend you do that just because, or it depends maybe on the age of the child. And then now we can glue on the rest of the sides. I'm saying glue, but I guess I should say frost on. And this is so much fun. It's just as fun, I think, for adults to make a gingerbread house as it is for a child to make it. All right, and so now you can see most of it is covered, but I still have the roof section of my gingerbread house. So I'm going to take two pieces like this to make the roof. So now let's frost these two pieces on. And they just go like that. Oh, you can't see. Like that. That's one side of my roof. And now here comes the second side of my roof. And I'm ready to start putting the candy on. And I know I mentioned these pretzel sticks. These are perfect, especially for the top part of the roof. Twizzlers also work well. I'm going to be doing this activity with my students later this week, and we're going to use Twizzlers in school. But for now, I'm just going to use these pretzel rods and really just encourage your students to have fun with it. Or if you're doing this at home with your own kids, everybody should just have fun. There really is no right way. There is no wrong way. When I do this with my students, though, I'm going to give each student a paper plate. And once they have all of the sides on their gingerbread house, we're going to frost the bottom and kind of glue it to that paper plate so it won't budge. And then if we have like little gummy bears, they can be the little gummy people that live in the gingerbread house. And it's just a lot of fun. And remember that the frosting looks like snow on the roof of your house. So that is a really nice touch for the winter. And I mean, I'm going to kind of stop at this point because I think everyone knows where I'm going with it. But kids can get as creative as they want and just have fun. Fruit Loops also work really well. Marshmallows, pretty much any fun candy. Enjoy and happy holidays.